Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the backyard baseball error code Scummerror. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes at the end of a game. Many players shared that once the playoffs begin, this error starts appearing and prevents them from getting back to the home page. Because of this, they are unable to continue their season. According to our research, this error is most likely a game bug, but in some cases, it may also be triggered by background apps or outdated game versions. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close all the apps running in the background on your device. Once done, launch the game again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then close the game and restart your device. After restarting, open the game and check for the error again. If the error still persists, then check if you need to update the game. If an update is available, install it and then see if the error still comes. At last, if you still get the error, then the only workaround is to skip the talking at the end of the game. Many players shared that doing this allowed them to continue without triggering the error. So try this and check if it resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.